Hello. I'm in Ginza.
Pardon?
Ginza district, and I'm going to have a look and walk around in Ginza. Just a little walk. I'm going to say nothing. I'm going to leave it to you. Unless I see something unusual, I'll bring it up. So, Ginza. What's Ginza famous for? Luxury brands, boutiques, shops, high-end restaurants. Just a nice neighborhood. So, we're going to walk around in Ginza and just let the camera do its thing and pick out anything that we see looks unusual, strange, and then let you make up your mind what you might want to see and watch. Here we go. Walk with us. So if you come to Ginza Six on the weekend, on Sunday, which we're Sunday, it's now pedestrian only. No cars on certain parts of the street. That's lovely. Look at that. I think they've got stalls down there. So we're right in the middle. Look down there. Ginza Six. Ginza Six is the building that's got a roof garden, a lovely roof garden. I have been up there at night, so you will see the footage. I might go up there again in the day just to show you. But this is Ginza. Fantastic neighborhood to come and have a little walk around and browse at your leisure. Lovely shops. So this is it, look, so you can just, they have all these umbrellas just set up in the middle of the street, and you can just sit and have something to eat. I think it works quite well because normally there's so many people all onto the pavements. I mean, look at that shop. That's quite cool, isn't it? Let's have a look
window
at
display.
Yeah, let's have a look at this window display from here.
Looks like jewellery.
So look at this, guys. Look at this.
Oh, stop moving.
Oh dear, what a shame. Just as we got there, the display stopped. Here's the building. There's some bits coming down, and I'll get in, and it might start up again. And there we go. Look at this window display. It's a lovely time to be here. Weather temperatures are fantastic. Hasn't really rained on us at all this time of the year. I mean, look at this one over here. I think it's probably better if I'm in the middle. You guys might have a better opportunity of seeing what's going on. Look at this building. Different. I take it she must be somebody quite famous. Well, you're in Tokyo, in Japan. People still queue to go into Louis. Mind you, it's
quite an unusual shop, isn't it?
Yeah, so very, very lovely displays. Look at this. I'll just show you some of the displays. So it's got all these horses. All the horses. It's different. Yeah, it'd be nice to go on a carousel ride with these, wouldn't it? Yeah, so we're queuing to get in. I suppose it's that time of the year. Everybody's doing their little bit of Christmas shopping. If they're not doing, well, the tourists are doing the Christmas shopping. And if you live here, you're probably just doing your normal shopping, aren't you? Now guys, look at Ublo's building. Now that is different.
Big.
Oh yeah.
lot of watches in there.
I'd say a hell of a lot of watches. Probably head office and that sort of stuff. Oh, next to it, Loro Piana. Loro Piana building looks nice as well. Look at that display. I'll get close to this one just to sort of give you a scale of what's going on. So there's Loro Piana, and then we go right up on it. Get close, it's very unusual style of building. So this is Loro Piana. So rows and rows and rows and rows of all your big brands. Look at this. No, I was going to let you take your picture. Yeah.
Bar.
Somebody to eat and drink. Constantly cleaning it. We know who this is, don't we?
Rolex.
I like the fact that they just put out these little tables.
Yeah, it's good. You want to stop and eat, I suppose.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Look at that building.
Oh,
Look at this building. Just in the distance, look. That building. Curves straight out, guys. Look. It's like a photographer's shoot place, isn't it?
this is because you can stand in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
A novelty.
Going up and up and up these buildings. And they're just endless. Oh.
Dunhill.
Now, Dunhill seem to, let's have a look. For window displays, I think these guys are pretty much, so just above where it says Dunhill, it looks like, look, you can see all the bottles. They've got their own, like, well, maybe there's a bar up there.
I think it's a bar.
Right, I think it's a bar just above Dunhill. So, you never know, we might be up there and having a drink. And as you pop down, you get to Dunhill's window display. Now, Dunhill. Look what they've come out with. Now, is that not a lovely looking car? Film the car. Look at this. Look at this. Is this not beautiful? So Dunhill outdone themselves here. Their window display is definitely rocking. And I'll tell you, the clothing has gone with it to match this outstanding car is beautiful. And then right there on the front, Dunhill. And look at that. Is that not cool? That's brilliant. Yeah, look at this one. You know who these people are? and they go right up there, sprawling above you. There's a lot of building work and a lot of refurbishments, isn't it, going on? Yeah, so for me, places to eat, guys, like I said, if you fancy your food, this is a nice place here. Yeah. That's the name of it. Some Ginza.
Precious or something.
Yeah, and it's got like that, and you get really nice food. Look at that. Something different. Your Sunday. You know, I do like a dessert. Now that looks like a creme brulee or a all over a. But I'm not a creme brulee person, but that does look nice. Oh, it's ice cream custard pudding, guys. I think you know who like that, who I'm with.
Yeah.
There you go. So Ginza, yeah, Jimmy Choo, Jimmy Choo. They're all here. I think if you're not here, you're not in Japan. Simple. They're all here, and they've got to be around this area. This is Ginza, and like I said, you want to get away from the hustle and bustle, and you happen to be here on a Sunday, they shut off the whole majority of the streets. They shut it all off for pedestrians only, and you can just walk at your leisure. So there's an overspill of people, so it doesn't actually look, it's crowded, but it doesn't look that bad.
No,
but if there was cars and all these people were walking down the pavements, I think it would be a little bit tense and congested. So we'll go off to another side street. See if we can get it in a bit more now. Huge building. So the Ginza area is a very nice area, isn't it?
I think so, I like it.
Nice.
Nice shops.
Just nice shops, just really nice. Lovely cafes. Ginza at the bottom underneath. At the bottom of Ginza building. Dior.
Yeah.
It's really nice. The architecture in Japan is, I'll keep talking about it, but I mean, this building here that houses these watch brands. Look, okay, it's open all the way to. So if I'm going to sum this up, pretty much in a couple of words, I'm going to say, for me, it's going to be a hard one, but for food, for coffee shops, for shopping, for ease of movement, for transportation, for just Japan, it's Ginza. I like Ginza. Great place to come. I like Ginza. Look, they even got your Apple store. So there's everybody on here. You get here, you just walk up and down and get everything you need. You're gonna need a chauffeur or a taxi waiting for someone to drop your bags off. But yeah, for me, it's Ginza. It's got it all going on and it's lovely. So I'm going to say to you, because I'm going to go and get myself a little light dinner. So from us and you guys, we say, many times we keep saying it, hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it, subscribe and follow, hit the like button, share, tell your friends what we're trying to show you. Ginza. Ginza. So from us, bye-bye.
Bye.